In this video, we will learn how to get better at Fortnite. So in order to get better at Fortnite, there are two ways you can do it. One is peripheral wise and the other is mechanical wise. The peripheral changes you can make instantly before you get into a game. In order to do that, you need to head to your profile section from the top right hand side, then hit on the gear button. Now from here you need to make sure that you have the most optimal settings inputted in here. So if you want to play at a very good and competitive level, you need to have the highest amount of edge possible. So from here, make sure that all your settings complement your desires. So make sure the window mode is full screen, your resolution is the native resolution of your monitor, which will in turn make it very clear for you to spot enemies and kill them. And also VSync should be off, frame rate limit should be unlimited or the refresh rate of your monitor. Rendering mode is an optional choice. You can keep it on performance or DirectX 12. If you are having issues with your performance in game, you can just choose performance, and DirectX 12 is in general very good. And from the bottom hand side of your screen, make sure that you tweak all these settings to your desire, which will let you play comfortably and get the highest amount of FPS. Audio is also quite important when you are trying to get better at Fortnite. So make sure that the volume levels are set to something you are comfortable with, and the sound quality is also should be set to high because it lets you have a far clearer sound from all the different sound sources. And also make sure that from the game tab under the language and region section, you have chosen the region with the lowest amount of ping from you. So in here, my lowest ping is in Middle East, so I should choose Middle East. Then apply. So playing on the lowest ping enables you to have a far better time at the game, responsiveness wise, and it will let you play the game very smoothly. And finally, in the keyboard and mouse section, make sure that your mouse sensitivity is set to that you are extremely comfortable with and that lets you aim better. So you need to find out it after playing games, and by playing a lot of games, you will be able to find your ideal sensitivity. After changing all these peripherals according to your desire, you can head back and get into a game. So after getting into the game, mainly in order to improve in Fortnite, all you need to do is just focus on your aiming. So you can aim practice every day by playing match-made games and playing against players. And also another aspect to improve in Fortnite should be your building. So you can practice your building at any game mode. So the best place I would say will be the creative game mode because it lets you play according to your desire and without any pressure. In here you can just practice your building and do all sort of stuff from basic to advanced, and by doing that you can eventually improve in the game. So in general, by following these tips and tricks, you can improve at Fortnite and enjoy the game as you desire. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.